I finally perfected a recipe that I've been trying to make for quite some time, and that is protein banana bread. Now, I know what you're thinking. Amanda, isn't this one of the first recipes you should have posted on your channel? It's a classic. And you're absolutely right. However, I was just never able to get it right. Either it wasn't cooked through the middle, it wouldn't rise, or it just didn't taste or look great. But that's all gonna change today. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're gonna be making a high protein, low calorie banana bread. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel, and I post similar recipes to this twice a week. And with that, let's get started making this banana bread. So first thing you're gonna do is preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Then grab a bowl and add some all-purpose flour. Next step is to add your vanilla protein powder. So I used PE Science. This is the cake pop flavor. You can use the vanilla flavor or the cake pop. This is a whey casein blend. So with this specific recipe, it might be a bit finicky if you use just whey protein. It'll still work. It might just not turn out as presentable, like maybe it won't rise as high. But if you do try it, let me know. And if you do decide to use PE Science, please use my discount code FIT15 when purchasing. Next step is to add in your 0-calorie brown sugar. So this is Lakanto brown monk fruit sweetener. So this is a brown sugar substitute with 0 calories. You could use whatever you have on hand, but if you do decide to purchase Lakanto, use my discount code FIT15. Add in some cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. This combo of the two together really helps it rise. Now add in your vanilla extract. Next, you're gonna crack 1 egg or go the easy route and use these eggs from a carton like I did today. Now add in some light butter or margarine and melt in the microwave for like 15 to 20 seconds first. This is the one that I use. It's Baicel Light. This has 50% less calories than the normal margarine. So either now or before you start baking, you're gonna take around 4 medium bananas and mash them with a fork so they look like this. So this will really only work with ripe or at least like semi-ripe bananas, otherwise you're just not gonna be able to mash them. If you only have bananas that aren't ripe, not to worry, just put them on a baking sheet with the peel still on and then bake them for around 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. So after adding in the mashed bananas, you're gonna mix the ingredients all together until it looks like this. So next you're gonna grab your loaf pan. I just use this aluminum one. If you use a glass one, the baking time will be different. Spray that with cooking spray and then pour the batter in. You can use the back of a wet spoon to spread it out if the batter is uneven. So I just decided to add some chocolate chunks on top, but this step is completely optional and the banana bread will turn out delicious even without any mix-ins. So now you're gonna bake it for around 30 to 40 minutes. I actually put mine in for 35 minutes, but it's gonna depend on your oven. So when you take it out, it's actually not gonna be fully cooked through the middle, which is fine. We're actually gonna let it sit for around 30 minutes to an hour so it can continue to harden in the middle. So once waiting for around 30 minutes, you could take a fork and stick it in the middle just to see if it comes out clean, and then that way you know it's done. And now we're done and we can slice it up. Taste test time. I can't believe I finally perfected the protein banana bread. This is so sweet and so soft. It would even taste great without the chocolate chunks. It's delicious. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like this recipe, then I'm sure you're gonna like some of my other ones that I'm gonna link up here, so watch those next. And please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel and I post similar recipes to this twice a week. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.